Peace, y'all. Mr. Littest Life. I just want to say, be a man or be a person of your word. Whatever little pockets that you can find in space to take care of the business that you need to take care of it. It may not be easy, and it may not be hard, but it definitely could be challenging. Make sure you do what you got to do. Take the steps. I'm making no excuses. I'm in here doing schoolwork so I get my certification and being a personal trainer. I train now, but I need to get my certification to make it official.
Because when you're a chauffeur, you get a lot of dead time.
Oh.
You might drive like somebody special like you. You know, I drive you to your podcast. I'm downstairs waiting for you until you're done. However long that may take. So that time that I have free, I will do school online. So I make sure that I got my certification.
What?
And I will post on Instagram like me writing, doing my homework, and just say like, yo, I'm gonna be a trainer. Like, this is what I want. This is what I want. This is what I want.